Z104 Drone Operation Tutorial. Removing the product and accessories. Product configuration. Need to charge the drone battery before flight. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Demonstration of charging the remote control. Connecting the remote control. Connecting the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone arm. Installing the drone battery. Install the obstacle avoidance module. Make sure the drone is level before starting it. Press and hold to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The drone will automatically pair with the remote control. Wait to enter the image transmission screen. Press and hold for geomagnetic calibration. Rotate horizontally clockwise to hear a beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise to hear two beeps again. Compass horizontal calibration is complete. Short press for gyro calibration. When the search signal reaches 9 or above, you can take off. Unlock the drone by pressing the outer 8 lever. Push the left stick up to take off. Rise. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Speed switching: 1 beep for low speed, 2 beeps for the middle speed gear, 3 beeps for high speed gears. Motorized camera adjustment. Short press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone is in obstacle avoidance mode. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the recording button to start recording. Short press again to save recording. Press the back button. Select File Management. You can view the saved photos and videos. Press the back button to return to the image transmission screen. Press the return button. The drone will return to the takeoff point. Indoor mode demonstration. Long press to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control again. Wait for the screen map to connect. Long press the GPS button on the remote control to turn off the GPS. Unlock the drone with the outer 8 lever. Push up the left stick to take off. Connect to app. Need to turn off the display switch first. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the corresponding app according to the cell phone system. Connect the drone Wi-Fi after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying. Replace the wind blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the airfoil and remove the airfoil. Pay attention to the A and B markings. Install the corresponding airfoil.